So it's been a while since a tree has made me nervous. But this one here, I don't know. Big white oak, leaning over 78. Look how fat it is on the bottom. All right, here we go. We're taking all necessary precautions. We're gonna go one machine pulling, one machine pulling. Two machines pulling. Let's cut this watermelon. There's a fucking hole in it. Why wouldn't there be? Jesus. Fucking big hole too. Alright, here we go. Okay, Miguel, let's go. A little pressure. A little bit. Here we go. Go back. Back, 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 back. Here we go, baby.